Hey everybody, welcome and thank you for joining me in the sidekicks for another video. I am super excited and the sidekicks will be soon too. Zena's here, Wyatt's here too. You'll see him in a minute because today's Barkbox day. The July Barkbox came in. The sidekicks are super excited. I think I forgot to bring scissors outside with me. Uh-oh. What are we going to do, Wyatt? How are we going to get into this? I didn't plan well. How are we going to get in? Looks easy. Barkbox. Barkbox is a subscription service for dogs. You pick the size of your dog and you pay accordingly. So for Wyatt's size, it is $21 a month. Wyatt's officially chewing on the box because I did not bring scissors to open this box. What are we going to do? $21 a box. For that, you get 2 bags of treats, a smaller treat, as well as 2 toys. Wyatt's all about everything. Zena waits for the treats. So, let me pause so I can get some scissors. Hopefully Wyatt won't tear into it while I'm gone. I will be right back. Scissors. Wyatt's still trying to chew the box open. Let's do this. What's in the box? Wyatt, be careful. I don't want to hurt you. Alright, this was taped shut tight. Alright, let's dig into this. I always love the Barkbox themes. They're always so fun. Honey, can we do it the easy way? Can we do it the easy way? Alright, let me get you here looking at Wyatt, who's going crazy right now. Zena, you gonna come check it out? So here is the box. Wyatt's already ripping stuff out. So, hopefully you guys can see this. I try to do it outside. Wyatt's going to do the unboxing. I'm losing all control, which is not unusual. First item. Oh, Motley Chew. Oh, it's a rock-themed box. Is that not cool? It's a little guitar. Oh, Wyatt's pulling on it. Motley Chew. That is so cute. All right, Wyatt, here you go. Here, Wyatt, take this one. There you go. Is that not cute? I love it. That is so cute. Okay, don't get too upset. This one is Yum Solo Drumstick. Is that not cute? It's a treat. I love it. I see you, Zena. I see you. Are you gonna take it? You can see that. Look at this. Hairy metal. A little record. That is so awesome. Show us your rock star. Share your dog playing with one of our instrument toys on hashtag Barkbox Day. They're filthy, they're wild, they're irresistible superstars. Your dog is a legend of hairy metal. We're unleashing our wildest Barkbox yet so you can rock out with your dog out. Is that not so cute? Whip, rip, thrash, and shred. Tear into the heavy metal collection. I love it. And these are the different toys that you could get inside your box. This is so cute. A heavy metal themed box. So Wyatt's going to sneak away try to eat the treats again when I'm not paying attention. I love this. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Did you get anything else out? Oh, check these out. Drums. This is, oh, okay, so Wyatt's just a tiny bit excited and just knocked over the whole camera. Okay, so these are the drums. How cute is that? So cute. It says Squeak and Destroy Drums. There's a disc squeaker in the booming bass drum and a crackling crinkle paper in the cymbal. Tug the soft and stretch t-shirt rope or just rip it, whip it, and thrash it. So cute. So cute. I love it. Wyatt, what do you think? Okay, that's just the paper. Here, go to this side. Come on. What do you think, Steve? So that's 2 toys, and then we have some more treats in here. We have School of Croc. Oh, here we go, the alligator again. Alligator and cod powdered dog treats. Wheat-free, soy-free, corn-free, grain-free. And of course, they're always made in the USA. They have that symbol. And I'm going to give Zena some right now because she's being so good. Wyatt is behind me, squeaking toys. Oh, look at this. They're shaped like little guitars. How cute is that? Wyatt, come up here. Come on. Come on, Wyatt. Come on. Wyatt, come on. He's so excited. He's not paying any attention. Come on, come up here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Dana's going to get that one too. All right, what's the other one? Rockstar Breakfast, bourbon flavored bacon powdered dog treats. Bourbon flavored. There you go. Always made in the USA, all natural, grain free, and 100% mouth watering. We treat your pup right. Happiness guaranteed. Love this. And then the rat, I think they're looking for more because I usually double up. I did not double up this box, so there's disappointment. Wyatt is like, where's the rest of the toys? Aren't you, bud? Can you come up and talk to everybody? He's like, where is the rest of the toys? So this is so cute. This is Twisted Shih Tzus. And it says, fresh out of Bags World Tour. This is so cute. The backyard, Henderson's lawn, the fire pit has dates, dad's shag carpet, basket of laundry. So cute. I love this. Motley Chew. Listen to Toot, Squeak and Destroy. AC Doxy. How cute is that? So creative. Hugs and Roses. Spaniel top. I love it. This is so cute. Appetite for Destruction. Black Labbit. Black Labbit, Santa. So cute. Wyatt is still digging in the box. There's nothing more in the box, guys. That's it. There's just the one bag of treats that are left. That's everything. Did you enjoy it? So I thought this was fun. Love, love, love Barkbox. The babies always love it, right? This is really big. So I don't know who I'm going to give this to, most likely Wyatt, because it is, you guys can see how big this is. Dana would probably like it, but it's probably going to be a little bit big for her. I love the vinyl. Is that not cute? All right, and the guitar and the drums. So super cute. So super cute. Wyatt's going to knock over the camera again. All right, can you tell everybody bye and thank you for spending time with us? Yes? All right, so I will put my information down below in case you'd like to give Barkbox a try. Yes, Dana wants another treat. And thank you for spending time with us. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider hitting that like button. We'd love it if you hang out with us for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. Wyatt's going to continue playing with his toys. And he realized he missed out on a treat. Till next time, everyone, have an awesome day. Bye.